Sundays and early mornings don't mix well for me, like oil and water. Trust me. More so because I have been, waking up early during the week, to prepare for school lunch. But since I joined the choir, I'm always waking up very early because sometimes I go to church by 6:30. Sometimes I leave more earlier than that. But anywho's, this was one of the videos I made during Christmas of how I made my hair on Christmas Sunday to church. So I was supposed to, go make my hair, but I was so busy with work, with motherhood and everything that I couldn't go to the salon. So that morning I had to, think of what I was going to do with my hair. That was what I was trying to, explain in the video. But the background noise, the generator sound and everything was not making the audio nice. So I had to, do a voiceover. Hi guys, my name is Janearl, a mom of two. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you are welcome. Please don't be a stranger. Kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video to join the channel. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. To my returning subbies, thank you. God bless you. So this is me just sectioning my hair, and my hair is already washed. I'm applying my leave-in conditioner and water. That bottle I just mixed in leave-in conditioner, water, and a little bit of oil. I'm applying that on my hair, then using a detangling brush and a white tooth comb to detangle my hair first before we proceed. So I got this Eco Styler gel some time ago, and this is me just using it. So all I'm going to do right now is try to put this thick mane of mine into a bun. So the Eco Styler gel helps it, sleep well, and the leave-in conditioner and water mix helps the hair manageable. So after adding the gel, I go in with another hard brush, to brush the hair all up. As you can see, it's already sleeping, So don't let nobody tell you your natural hair cannot do ponytail, it cannot slick down. That's not true. It just depends on how you do it. You get. So after that, I made use of this wool, tighten the hair all around. You don't need to use wool, you can use the hair tie, but I just like using wool because it tightens the hair very well for me. Next, I go in with more gel, just to make it smooth. Brush that in and brush it very, very well. Next, I'll move on to the front section of the hair. So I'm going to go back with my, leave-in conditioning water, and then section the front hair into 3 parts, whereby, as you can see, this middle, both sides, and so I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the steps I did with the back, going with my leave-in conditioner, water, and oil. Apply the gel, brush it into the bun behind. I'm going to do that to this middle section I'm working on and the ones on both sides of my hair. So I'm going to, do that, and then we'll get back to what we are going to be doing with the front section. So like I said before, if you're just joining my channel, you are welcome. If you're not just joining my channel, you're also welcome. Please don't forget to don't give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to all the natural mamas out there. Don't forget to watch the ads on this video, please. That's the little way you're helping me. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment. I would love to read from you. Don't forget to leave a comment, and keep enjoying the vlog. that was done, I didn't want to leave my ends like that, so I went in with another wool to tighten up the hair into a very long bun. So I folded the ends in. I kept using the wool to tighten the ends, I wanted to have a very long ponytail. Like, look at how long my hair is, even though I folded the ends inside. But I loved it. But then at the end of the day, I don't think I liked it, because the hair I wanted to add on top, it did not really come out well. So I wished I had done it smaller. So if you want to do yours, you can do yours smaller, and depending on what hair you want to attach on top. Then I went in with my edge control. I'm just trying to lay my edges. Then I went in with my satin bonnet, scarf, sorry, to tight it up, tight it in place so the hair can sleep. And mind you, I was doing this on a Sunday morning. If you want your hair to sleep very well, try to do it like a night before, and don't try to add too much products on your hair, so that the hair can sleep before morning. So for the front section of the hair, all I did was, divide it into smaller pieces, and then further section it into two, open it up, attach my wool, use a black rubber band to secure that in place, and then I'm just going to twist up my hair. So I'm going to do that to all sections of this front part. I'm going to be twisting my hair, but because I do not know how to, braid and twist from scratch, that's why I'm using this method. What I did, like if you followed what I did, it's very self-explanatory. All you have to do is just divide the section into two, put hair extension, use a black rubber band to, tight up your hair, then twist everything, divide your hair into two and twist it in place like you see me do. So if you want a more detailed, explanation, please let me know so I can do another video tutorial of it. So all I'm going to do is, just twist up that whole section, and then I'll get back to what we are going to be doing next. So after twisting the hair, I'm just going to be rolling it up like you see me do, rolling it up on itself. So I made the twist very long because I wanted to do this. But if you don't want to do this, you can make short twists and then wrap it up in some kind of way. But because I wanted to have this matted look, so I'm just going to be twisting it, rolling it in itself. Then I made use of thread and needle to secure it in place, like a black thread and needle, because I was using a black extension. So you just make use of a black thread, gently sew it in place, then continue rolling the twisted hair on itself like you see me do. After securing the first ends, I continue rolling and rolling and rolling. When you get to a place like maybe close to your hair that you cannot use the needle and thread, you can make use of a black bobby pin to secure it in place. The idea that I was looking for in my head, like you guys see the time it took me to do all this, so you can imagine how early I woke up just to do this hair this morning, like that Sunday morning. So I tried sewing it on my hair, and thank God Fortune was around. So if you want to still sew it, make sure that you have somebody around to help you, because I was just looking at my mirror. I could not do it by myself, so Fortune had to come help me. Yeah, so if you cannot sew it and you don't have anybody to help you, make use of a bobby pin. So all I'm doing is going back with my edge control to just some of the flying hairs that came out when I was doing the front side. So I'm just going to use the edge control to flatten that back. Next, going with my brush again to brush it in place. So right now all I'm doing is, tying the scarf back on my hair so that I can, go have my bath, do my makeup, and then I will show you guys the final result. So when you're doing this, especially if you don't have any blow dryer, you have to, tie your hair. And I was trying to see how I could tie the hair so it could kind of sleep, for the short amount of time. So I had to tie more than one scarf. In fact, tie as many as you can. So this is me going in with the third scarf, just to try to tighten everything so it can, dry off quickly. So it was not an easy feat, guys. It was not an easy feat. So that is me going to have my bath, and voila, our makeup is done. This was how I styled it. I just wrapped look at the hair, it has slept very well, and this is just an old extension that I have. I'm just going to attach it to the ends of the long bun I did. So if this was an actual ponytail wig, it would have been so beautiful, but because I just DIY the wig, it did not turn out so well. Like, I did not like it, and it was not even a new extension. It was like an old extension I had, so it was not giving me what I wanted. But as you can see, the front section, the way I wrapped up the front section came out so beautiful. But I just did not like the back. What do you guys think? Do you think the back was still fine? I was just, doubting myself. I don't know what happened, but I did not like it. I just did not like it. So I don't know if I would have just left the bun like that without adding an extension hair. What do you guys think? So this is how it was supposed to look, but I did not like the back. I did not just like it. And this is how I finally did it. I had to tuck in the ends to make it just like a big bun. This is me in church with my babies. And yes, I made Jaden's hair, guys. Don't judge, don't judge. This is how I finally did it. I just used it like a very big bun. Which do you guys prefer? It being like this or it flying the first way? But I think both still works. Or I would have just left my hair like that. What do you guys think? So this was how I dressed for Christmas. Sunday, see me rocking that red, because of course it was Jesus's birthday. We had to slay and look our best. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I really appreciate you all for staying up to here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Don't skip my ads, please. See you all in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye bye.